Hello friends, welcome back to CodeKaroYaaro. And CodeKaroYaaro is the first online computer science school. Okay, and today we are meeting here to learn something new. Okay, so today's topic is pen extension. Okay, so today we are going to have a tutorial on how to use the pen extension and how to create an animated art project. Okay, so let's get started. Let me share my screen, and once I'll share my screen, let me know if you're able to see it. So let's make a new project. Okay, so here is the cat sprite, so you will need a cat sprite, so don't delete it. Okay, and now we are going to learn about the pen extension. So what is pen extension in Scratch? Okay, pen means you can draw in this stage area with the help of pen. Okay, so how do you put extension? Extensions are something in which that is an extra feature of the Scratch. You will not find it in these circles. Okay, these circles are default instructions. But if you want more instructions, you can go to this extension feature that is down here in the corner. Okay, my cursor is pointing to that area where you can find the extensions. So please click on that extension part and you will see the pen extension here. So make sure you select on that pen extension, and here you will get all the instructions that are pen related. Okay, so here is the pen block added to the number of blocks here, and here when you click on the pen you get all the instructions of the pen. So let's see how we are going to use these instructions. Okay, so we will make an art animated project today. So first of all, with in the cat sprite, you have to code. Okay, you have to start coding in the cat sprite. You have to go to the events block when green flag is clicked. That means when we will start the project. First of all, you have to erase all. So whatever it's done in the previous project, it will get erased. Okay. So erase all is in the pen extension. You can get erase all instruction. Okay. You have to put it after when green flag is clicked. Then there is another instruction in pen that is set the pen color to. Okay. So you have to get this instruction, set pen color to. So you are going to set a particular color of the pen that you want. Okay, it is according to your choice. So you put this instruction here, and here you can see there are so many different colors you can put for the pen. Okay, so according to your choice, you can put the color of the pen like this. Okay, so right now I'm going to put this pink color, but you can change the color. Okay, you can make combinations of color from here. Okay, so now the pen color is set. Okay, now I have to put the instruction pen down. Okay, when I put pen down, that means the pen will actually draw something. Okay, that means pen down. Okay, so make sure you put the instruction pen down after setting the pen color. Then we'll go to the control and we'll repeat for 4 times. I want to create a square. Okay, I want to create the shape square. So I have to repeat 4 times. Okay, I have to repeat 4 times. And then what I'll do is I'll create the shape of square. So I have to move 100 steps, right? I have to move 100 steps. So put this instruction 100 steps, and you have to turn 90 degrees. That means it will create a square. So go to this instruction, turn degrees, and just put here turn 90. So when I click on the green flag, I will see that my square is created, right? So let me see again. Okay, it is too fast. Let me make it a little bit slower. So I'll go to the control and I'll wait for maybe 2 seconds. As you can see now, my square is being created by the cat, right? Yeah, it's so much fun, right? So you can use this turn 90 degrees instruction, okay, to create the square. Understood? So this is how you can use the pen instruction. Okay. Suppose you don't want the cat. Okay, you want to create a pen or pencil. So we'll go to the costumes. We'll do one thing. We'll delete the cat. Okay, we don't want the cat. Okay, now we'll create a pen art. Okay, so let's see how we are going to create it. Okay. All right. Okay, now I'll make it black. Border, I want to make it like 5, 4, 3. Okay, I'll try to draw a pen kind of a thing or pencil kind of a thing. Okay, now this is a kind of a pen. Okay, I'll fill it with the color. You can increase the size of the brush to be able to fill it perfectly. Okay, so okay, so this is what my pen looks like, but you can make it more better. Okay, I have made it like this. Okay, and if you want to not make it, and if you want to upload it, you can easily upload it. Okay, so we will search for pen clip art. So there are so many pens. Okay, you can just select any one of it. You can save the image. Okay, you can just save the image of this pen. Save image as, and you have to save it in your computer. Okay, now I'll go to my scratch. I'll delete this pen. Okay, I'll go to upload sprite and I will upload this pen. Okay, so my pen is here. You can always decrease the size of this pen, maybe 50 will work. Okay, so more smaller, maybe 45. Yeah. Okay, so now we have to code again for this pen because I accidentally deleted the previous pen. So the code is also gone. So we'll revise whatever we learned. Okay, so when green flag is clicked, first of all, you have to erase everything that has already been done in the previous. If someone has created any shape, you can erase it. Then you have to set the pen color to your favorite color, whatever color you require. Okay, then you have to put pen down, that will actually draw the shape. Then you can repeat 4 times. Okay, repeat 4 times and you have to move 100 steps and you have to turn 90 degrees, right? That will create the shape of square. But it is too fast, so we'll make it wait for like 2 seconds or 1 second is fine. Okay, wait, just this. Okay, this is pen up. By mistake, I put pen up. It should be pen down, right? So again, I'll go to the pen and pen down. Now it will work fine. Yes, as you can see, my square is created, right? So that's all for this session. We created a art, okay? So in the next sessions, we are going to learn about more shapes, how to create a circle, triangle, okay, and more designs. So stay tuned and we'll meet in our next tutorial. Bye, everyone.